Hello class, welcome back again. Today we're going to continue with the last part of the topic of simple past. So in this case we have the simple past topic. In this case we're going to continue with the questions form, okay? If you remember the last class, we saw affirmative sentences, negative sentences, but today we're going to learn the questions. I'm going to give you a little review so you guys can remember. Les voy a dar un repaso rápido para que se puedan acordar un poco. So in this case, remember, when we are talking about simple past, the thing that we have to use over here is going to be a verb in past. For example, my cousin ate a burger the last Friday. Over here, we are using the verb in past because it's affirmation. But over here, negative form, what do we have to do? In this case, we have to change it. So it will be like this. My cousin, para decir que no, utilizamos un auxiliar. El auxiliar que utilizamos, it was didn't. And after that, we have to write the verb again in present. So in this case, it's not going to be ate anymore. It's going to be ate. ¿Se acuerdan? Entonces, cuando era negativo utilizamos el verbo en presente, y cuando era affirmative, we use the verb in past, okay? And it's going to be the same with the complement. My cousin didn't eat a burger the last Friday. That's going to be affirmative and negative form. Yes? So I think that you guys have remembered that. In this case, we are going to continue with the questions, okay? So make your notes if you want. Hagan sus notas si quieren. Ahí le ponen pausa if you want. So with the questions form, it's very simple. Over here, we have to change it. First of all, I'm going to write the structure so you guys can know how to do it. In this case, the questions is going to be like that. First of all, we use an auxiliary. After that, we write the subject. And then again, over here, we're going to use the verb in present. And then we write the complement and we close it with the question mark. In this case, we can actually use a WH. Ya no sabemos las WH. We have seen like 8 in total. Ya vimos como 8 en total. In this case, the auxiliary that we're going to use is going to be did. And it's basically the same as the last time. Es prácticamente lo mismo como la vez pasada, con do y dos. Pero aquí solamente va a ser did. Let me give you an example. Ahí les doy un ejemplo muy sencillito. Here we have a sentence. Fernando, yeah, well, let's use it with it. Fernando ate a burger 2 days ago. Same example. Un ejemplo para que vayan entendiendo bien. It's affirmation, so we use the verb in past. If I want to make a question with that answer, si yo quiero hacer una pregunta con esa respuesta, puedo utilizar el complemento que tengo ahí. Over here, we have a time and a specific time, and actually we have a specific thing. So in this case, if I want to ask, yo quiero preguntar, ¿qué comió? Sería what, ¿verdad? Si yo quisiera preguntar cuándo comió, it will be when. Eso ya no lo sabemos. But in this case, we're making a question in past. Estamos haciendo una pregunta en pasado. Y si yo quiero hacer una pregunta en pasado, ya no voy a utilizar ni do ni does. Lo único que voy a utilizar is going to be the auxiliary did. So in this case, sería what did who? Fernando. What did Fernando? And the verb cannot be in past. El verbo no puede ir en pasado. Este verbo aquí está en pasado. Entonces, la forma presente of this verb is eat. So, what did Fernando eat 2 days ago? ¿Qué comió hace 2 días? And the answer will be a burger. Okay? Second and last example. Segundo y último ejemplo. Make pause, póngale pausa para que hagan sus notas. Another sentence. My son lived in Texas a year ago. Over here is affirmation, so I'm using the verb in past. Yes, mi hijo vivió en Texas hace un año. Yes, in this case, if I want to make a question, ahora quiero preguntar cuándo vivió en Texas. Entonces, si quiero preguntar cuándo, ya se sabe la pregunta para cuándo, sería when. Yes? So in this case, if it's past, está diciendo mi hijo vivió en Texas. Yo quiero preguntar ¿cuándo vivió? Es pregunta in question. I mean, it's question in past, sorry. So in this case, we have when did who? My son, es la persona. When did my son? And over here, the verb is in past. I have to use the verb in present, remembering. Questions in past, we always use verb in present. So when did my son leave? Like that. In Texas. And the answer will be a year ago. Y la respuesta sería hace un año. Okay? I'm gonna give you one last exercise. Les voy a dar un último ejercicio aquí para que ustedes lo puedan hacer. And then I'm gonna send you the homework. Después les envío la tarea. Last one. Ahora sí, ya es el último. Third one and last one. The sentence that I have is this. My students went to school because they had classes. Over here, what am I saying? ¿Qué estoy diciendo? Mis estudiantes fueron, este es nuestro verbo principal, fueron a la escuela because they had classes, porque tenían clase. ¿Ok? Pasado. Fueron, ya pasó. ¿Ok? So over here, went is in past. ¿Y cuál es el present de went? Go. De ir. Entonces, ¿qué voy a hacer? Quiero preguntar, en este caso voy a preguntar ¿por qué fueron a la escuela? Over here I'm telling you, because they had classes, porque tuvieron clases. Entonces yo quiero preguntar ¿por qué fueron a la escuela? It will be like this. Why, yes, acuérdense, why did, otra vez, auxiliary is only did, not do, not does. It's only did, solamente did. Why did who? My students. And the verb over here is in past. I don't use verb in past, I use verb in present. So what's the verb in present? Go to school. Why did my students go to school? Because they had classes. Okay? So that's gonna be everything for today, and I'll see you later. Have a nice day.